All right, so this is week 4, and this week was kind of a wash for me because I've spent about 10 to 11 hours trying to troubleshoot this whole um, having the wrong Java and not being able to use an IDE to create applets. And I'm on a Mac, so that's fun too. So, per Tyler's suggestion earlier in the week, um, I could downgrade from Java 11.0.1 to a Java 8 or whatever it was, the JDK 8. But instead of going back and downloading a legacy Java um, package, I kind of had the idea to go to an online compiler, and I was able to get to a, uh, a Java 8 version that had the applet capabilities. And so I was able to do this, and it gave me the ability to actually pop the applications like you should be able to. And whenever you try to do it, obviously, I'm using Firefox right now, and they do not support Java plugins. Well, apparently, neither does Chrome of um, its current updated level, and neither does Safari. I get the same error on those; they just will not do it. Um, and then let's see, what else have I tried? So the one thing that I tried to do, I know that the um, in Tyler's, he said he was using Internet Explorer, so that's the reason why he was able to pop his out um, using the older version of the JDK. He was able to use it in Internet Explorer. Now, I don't know if he was actually able to use the applet viewer, but I know in this one, apparently it doesn't even have the applet viewer. So there was that issue. And all I'm trying to do is just draw a simple rectangle inside of an applet. Um, and then let's see, oh, the IDE. So I went and downloaded Eclipse because I know Eclipse is, super common IDE, but for some reason on this particular machine, I haven't ever been able to get an IDE to work. I have NetBeans and can't figure it out for the life of me. I've watched some tutorials and I can't even get one to run. So Eclipse, I've seen it run at work. People use it to code in Python, so I'm like, all right, cool, easy enough. So I set it up, and I go to set up my working directory, and I immediately get this error. And I've went into the log, can't understand anything it's saying. It doesn't give me any clues as to how to how to fix it, and I'll show you. So here's like some of the log errors. None of them make any sense to me. So just had nothing but issues all week. So what I did is I did as much as I could through the find the error and algorithm workbench, and did those, finished my quizzes and stuff like that, and then either I'll just have to take the hit on this, or um, if you can figure out a fix for me, give me some suggestions. Um, I could potentially work through it and maybe turn it in late if that would be okay. But as of right now, I don't know if I can do applets on this current machine with my setup. Now, I've looked ahead, and it doesn't look like we do anything more with applets. It looks like it's more GUIs and stuff like that, especially for the final project. I wanted to make sure that, not being able to do applets wasn't a super bad hindrance, and it looks like, I think next week we're covering like SQL and stuff. Um, and then the GUIs, I can make those easily. Um, so I guess this is kind of a calculated risk on my part. But yeah, please, by all means, give me some feedback. And if you know anything that I can do to try to get this to work, let me know. And as for that, I guess have a good week. Thank you.